Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. For this one, I'm going to show you how to use Blue Willow AI to create beautiful, high-resolution AI-generated images. So, just for an intro about what Blue AI is, it's like many of those AI generative programs that generate images from text prompts. In a way, you can consider it similar to AI image generative programs like Midjourney. So first things first, as you can see, this is the Blue Willow AI Discord server. Feel free to join the Discord server for Blue Willow using the link as shown here. Now, once you're in the Blue Willow Discord server, on the left-hand side, you're going to find many different text channels. Go ahead and join one of the rookie text channels in order to start generating some AI images with Blue Willow. In order to start generating images with Blue Willow, you want to start with the command line /imagine. After typing down that command line, feel free to type down any text prompt you wish to use. Blue Willow will take this text prompt and generate an AI image for you seamlessly. Just let Blue Willow do its magic and take your text prompt and turn it into an AI-generated image of your choosing. If you click on the inbox icon on the upper right corner, as shown here, you can find all the images that you've asked Blue Willow to generate for you. As you can see, the options for the AI-generated images Blue Willow is able to create are literally quite endless. As long as you follow the proper prompt template, you can literally generate almost anything. This is really the power of these AI image generative programs. As you can see, we can generate anything from a Mona Lisa modernized picture to something as fantastical as a red dragon flying in the blue skies. Remember, just follow the proper prompt template and you can generate nearly anything. And that's really all there is to using Blue Willow in order to create beautiful AI-generated images. If you have any other questions or inquiries regarding the steps that I have shown, make sure to comment them down below. Also, like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this one. Every bit will definitely help us in keeping this channel going. So thank you again for watching, and we'll definitely see you in the next one.